long time no chat. This loaf of sourdough came out of the oven maybe like 30 minutes ago. It's probably still a little bit too warm to cut, but I'm impatient and I'm hungry, okay? And it wasn't a good day today. So let's catch up on the past 24 hours. Why don't we do that? By the way, this sourdough is absolutely incredible. This is my favorite recipe. That's good. Essentially what happened, yesterday was Kennedy's party. It went great. Family and friends helped clean up the house in literally like 20 minutes. They, put all the tables away. It was so great. Everyone helped. And yeah, and so this morning, or this afternoon, we went to my parents' house because my dad's birthday, his 60th birthday. Don't tell him I told y'all that, but he's 60. He turned 60 a couple weeks ago, so we were having a cake at my parents' house today. And I figured while we were down there, I wanted to take the Halloween picture for us this year. We have our Halloween costumes. I got them back in July. There is this character group, okay, that I have been wanting to do as a family costume for years, okay? But the problem is Kennedy is the star, and the costume that she was going to be wearing, the smallest they make is a size 2T, which is her size now. So the past 2 years, I've been biting my tongue just waiting to get my hands on this costume. I digress though. So today we go to my parents' house. I figured let's take the costumes down because someone will be down there. It'll be easier to take a family photo versus at home with a tripod. And well, I get all the costumes out, and I didn't have me and Carl try ours on because I just, I got him his normal size, I got me my normal size, and well, when I took Carl out of the package, completely covered in black mold, completely. My sisters were like, no, that might just be like paint or something. And then my dad came over and he's like, no, she's right. It's mold. All over me. All over everything. I just got out of the shower for the second time. Okay? Just took 2 showers. Okay? Threw my clothes out. Me and my mom ran upstairs. Threw my clothes out. Anyway. It's quite delicious. So, now I gotta get some new costumes. Don't think we're gonna be able to do that movie that we were gonna do. Unless I can find these specific costumes in person, because I'm not ordering anything online. And yes, I know what you guys are thinking. Carissa, did you reach out to where you got them from? Yes, I did. I said that they're gonna issue out a refund because it came like that. We literally hadn't opened the package yet, so. Anyway. Yeah. I feel better now that we talked. I feel like I kind of decompressed a bit. And, yeah. I'm gonna eat this and talk to you guys later. Happy Sunday.